how to do some quick and easy flames on this compressor.
Okay, so I've taken off the actual sticker that was on here and I've actually cleaned the whole area with some degreaser, taken the cover off. So now I'm going to actually mask off all the actual areas that I don't want to get paint on, and mask off a flat, nice surface with some cheap decorating masking tape, just to get a nice surface so I can actually draw the flames out on. Now I'm all masked up. I'm going to rough out with a pencil where I want to put the flames, mask off all the other areas just before paint. So I'm probably going to put the flames around this, I don't know yet, I'll have a look. So I'll just quickly rough these out with a pencil, and I'll go with the Sharpie, and then we'll cut all the areas out with the scalpel, mask everything else off and ready for paint. So all the lines are all marked out. On the other side. So what I'm going to do now is quickly trim all the excess off with the scalpel. So we're all masked up, ready to go. Now we'll start laying down some colours. I'll use about 5 or 6 different colours and just fade it in from probably light to a slightly darker colour at the back. Just play with the colours and see what I come out with. finished. Not too bad. I went from light blue to white, silver, into a titanium grey, and into a green at the end. A little bit of light blue on the ends here. Went around the outside edges just with a paint pen. It's a little bit rough. I could have done a really nice job with a proper pinstriping brush. A really nice job of it. It was just for a bit of fun. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Hope you're all staying safe out there. And I'll see you on the next one. Cheers!